Hi, hello, welcome back to Infinite Loop. Do you find me relaxing? Yes, the topic is also relaxing. Last few videos we have been talking about technology, social media and informative. So today we are starting off with a new series which is all about wellness. In first go, don't misunderstand the terms health and wellness. In understanding the difference between health and wellness, health is a person's overall mental and physical status. In short, the absence of disease. Whereas wellness is more than that. Wellness is a state of being in optimum mental and physical health. It is leading a life or living a life with full of personal responsibility by taking proactive steps to bring a balance in life. There are so many risk factors in life which can harm someone. Like smoking is a risk factor, alcohol is a risk factor, and these risk factors increases the chances for illness. So wellness aims to reduce these risk factors and to enhance the well-being in life. Though wellness is a very wide term, we can look into few dimensions of wellness, such as physical, mental, social, emotional, spiritual, occupational, and financial wellness. Let's look into each one of them more closer. Physical wellness refers to the wellness of the physical human body. It includes the ability to perform the daily tasks, maintaining healthy weight and general fitness. The other aspect is mental wellness. Mental wellness refers to the wellness of the mind, which includes the ability to the way of thinking, promoting positive thinking, utilizing the creativity and a desire to learn. Next is emotional wellness. Emotional wellness refers to our feelings and mood, seeking greater degrees of happiness and peace, controlling a balance of emotions, in a way compassion for self and others. Spiritual wellness refers to having a set of values, principles, morals and beliefs that provide a sense of purpose and meaning to our life. And we all are aware of social wellness. Social wellness refers to the human connections that facilitates a sense of belonging to each other. And then comes the environmental wellness. Environmental wellness refers to the wellness of the planet, respect to the nature, and being socially responsible to protect the environment where we live. And the other one is occupational wellness. Occupational wellness refers to the career and job satisfaction, how to bring out a balance between work, home, and play, and of course to maintain healthy relationship with the co-workers. And last but not the least, and what more needed for today, is financial wellness. Financial wellness refers to the management of finance. Financial worries is one of the greatest contribution to the stress. So learning successfully to manage the expenses, time to plan the budget, and accepting your financial limitations are the key words of financial wellness. So the term wellness in all its meaning is learning to stay in mindfulness, to lead a life which promotes peace, harmony, and to bring balance in all areas of life. And in today's hectic space of life, where stress is the order of the day, there is a huge need to recover the energy for our body and soul. And this lead the pathway to wellness industry. Once upon a time, our only contact with wellness was just going to gym or maximum a massage. But now, wellness mindset itself has changed. Today's wellness industry encompasses all activities which promotes physical and mental well-being. And all hotels weave wellness initiatives into their fabric as a luxury identity. And in order to meet the needs of discerning traveler, all hotels and resorts comes up with a strong suite of products and services. Wellness industry includes different types of wellness solutions, to say thermal solutions, hydrotherapy solutions, halotherapy solutions, and much more. And it includes both functional and traditional treatments, and all treatments have a well-defined protocol. In the wellness series of Infinite Loop, we will be looking closer into each of these solutions, briefing out the benefits of using it, the points to be taken care before and after the usage, and thereby providing you an awareness how to experience it. So stay tuned for upcoming wellness videos. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye-bye.